Welcome to a new video of Sisters Creation. So today we are going to show you sari with jewelry collection. So let's display.
Okay,
This is
so
our
this
first
one is our first display. This one is Noel. This one is Noel with a royal blue. This is royal blue. This is the pallu portion. Look, there is a heavy work in the pallu portion. Let me show you like this. The whole sari, the whole pallu portion goes like this. See how beautifully thread and mirror work they are. And here you can get this also.
Jewelry.
This is the jewelry with the matching sari. Look at the jewelry. It's perfectly matching with your sari. Actually, this many days we are showing you the sari, but we thought that to make something different,
To
we are
show
also
some accessories also.
accessories also,
So-
and this accessory is perfectly made for the sari itself because it's going truly with sari. Like you can get everything, like your total makeover in this. You are absolutely ready for that. Look at the jewelry. This is the jewelry,
This is the jewelry and this is the earring.
handmade all that. See how cute the earring is.
Very
This-
light.
Very lightweight. This is the sari. All over thread work with little flower motif and mirror work as well. This is the border portion. Look at the border. How beautiful it is, and there is a heavy work on the border as well of perfectly thread. Thread works are yellow and pink color. Base is royal blue, which is very nice. Royal blue is highlighting this thread work in another level. This is the body. This is the body portion with navy blue. This is the body portion, navy blue, like this, and all over the body goes with little thread flower motif.
Flower motif.
And here the sari goes like this. Moving on to the next. This is in handloom.
Violet color.
This is
The
violet
base
color.
is violet.
Look at the sari, how smart it is. Look at the pallu portion. See, you can get a heavy temple work like this. Let me show you and highlight it. You can get the base is violet and you can get temple work like this. Deep green color it is. And see how, and here is a lining of copper. So the thing goes like this. It's very nice, very lightweight, and a very beautiful it is. And here is the jewelry with your matching sari. Look at the jewelry, how beautiful it is. These are the earrings. These are the
These are the
earrings, and
earrings.
this is the jewelry. This is the jewelry. And here is the sari. Pair up the sari with a pair of jewelry and you are perfectly ready for your makeover. It's amazing. The sari itself is amazing, beautiful. It's simple yet very unique and exclusive. It's very simple. Like there is nothing, no heavy work, no anything, but still the sari is so highlighting and so smooth, so beautiful it is. Let me show you the BP. This is the BP, which is running BP, and the sari goes like this. Moving on to the next display. Here is also an handloom. Here is also an handloom as the previous one, but this color is different. This is copper color. This is the copper color. Look at the sari. See how beautiful the pallu is actually. See how beautiful it is with heavy work.
And this is the jewelry with this sari.
This is the pallu portion. This is the pallu portion. Look at the work. They are very heavily the flower motif, bird motif, and all over the sari goes like this. This is very heavy work in the pallu side, and here is the matching jewelry. Here is the matching jewelry. Look how contrasting it is. It doesn't require to wear the same, but it's so contrasting, so beautiful that
So
you can
elegant.
as well. You can easily carry. You can easily carry this. Look at the jewelry. Contrast jewelry, and the sari goes like this. A beautiful work. A beautiful work in the border as well. Flower and leaf motif. Deep green border. And the sari goes like this, copper color. It's handloom. Very beautiful, very nice. And this is the contrast BP of deep green color, sea green color. Very beautiful the sari is. Moving on to the next. This is the jewelry. Banarasi handloom it is. When it comes to Banarasi, it comes in a mind of heavy work, very heavy weight. But look at this sari. This is not heavy worked, heavily designed, but it's so bright, so diminishing. And here you can get
jewelry.
Here is the jewelry. See how beautiful it is, matching with each other. You are ready for your any of the work, any of your party and anything. Look at the jewelry, how beautiful it is.
This is the earring.
See the jewelry. It's very beautiful, very elegant, perfectly matching with your sari. See, the body comes like this. Here is the body, all over work in the body, and it's mixed up with many colors of violet, pink. It's amazing, heavily worked. This is handloom Banarasi. How beautiful it is, and look at the jewelry, how bright and beautiful the jewelry is. It's pearl. The jewelry is pearl. Moving on to the next. Khadi. Parrot green khadi. Another very nice and very lightweight handloom collection, which is khadi. See how beautiful it is. It's of parrot green color. It's of parrot green color, and the jewelry comes like this. The jewelry and the sari both are like made for each other. They both combine with each other so perfectly, so beautifully that you are completely ready for your outwear. How beautiful it is, how beautiful the combination is, and how lightweighted this sari. I can't explain you all. It's so lightweight, so comfortable. You can easily carry.
The color
is also very bright, which is of parrot green and blue color, royal blue color. It's very nice, very highlighting, very good, very cool collection it is. It's a summer cool collection. Moving on to the next. This is also handloom. This is also handloom. Look at the pallu side. Look at the pallu. Look at this thread work. Royal blue color. Look at the thread work. It's a leaf motif. How beautiful the motif is. Amazing it is. Amazing. Here is the sari, and with the jewelry. The jewelry is yet another exciting thing to look up to. See the jewelry, how beautiful it is, perfectly going with the sari, perfectly made for each other. And look at the pallu portion, how beautiful it is, how heavy and beautiful work it is. It's completely of leaf motif of golden, white, pink, which is perfectly highlighting the color of the sari, which is amazing. And here comes with the jewelry, which is amazing collection, and very soft, I must say. It's perfectly for summer cool collection. The whole all over body goes like this. All over body comes like this with little leaf motif, leaf and flower motif all over the body, and the base is navy blue. Yet another very nice collection. Mustard handloom. Look at the color. How nice. Oh my god, this color is very unique, very satisfying, and look at this saree, how light it is. Like I can easily do up to like this. It's a khadi which is of mustard yellow, mustard color, and here comes the jewelry. It's a solid khadi collection. Look at the jewelry and the saree, both are made for each other. Amazing. They are highlighting the total piece. You are actually ready for your any outfit, for any occasion. How beautiful it is. How beautiful. Look at this.
It's very simple, but actually it's really
elegant. Very beautiful and elegant as well. Very decent, sober. There are much adjective to use for, but the saree actually don't need any adjective. This is perfectly very nice collection. See, this is the collection. Moving on to the next. This is also an handloom collection. This is also the handloom collection, which is a parrot green and red color, and all over the body goes with a thread motif of this is also handloom with parrot green color, and here comes the jewelry with gamcha check. The jewelry is actually of gamcha check. You can see this jewelry perfectly goes with the saree. Look at the jewelry, perfectly going with the saree. Here comes the pallu. Here comes the pallu. Very elegant, very sweet complexions, very sweet color it is. It's a combination of parrot green and red. All over the body goes with a copper flower motif, which is highlighting the saree very well. So here comes the collection. This is also handloom. Moving on to the next. This is the last collection. We are ending with a bright color, a bright and a unique color. It's unique. See, this is the whole conceptions, and the jewelry comes like this.
This is the jewelry.
This is the saree. See how beautiful it is, and here comes with the jewelry of Hatpakha motif. See how beautiful it is. Both are exactly made for each other. Like you can have the saree and you are perfectly ready.
You have these accessories also with it.
This is the pallu. This is the pallu portion. Look how beautiful it is. Look at the pallu. This is the last collection, which is a very unique collection of grey and yellow, which highlighting the saree to another level, which is very nice, very attractive and very lucrative. This was the last collection. Very last collection it was. And here comes with the jewelry.
Yeah, this is the jewelry and this is the earring.
So this was our last collection.
If you like any of the sarees, then please take a screenshot from the video, and if you like the video, then please like it, comment it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. We will again come with the next video. Till then, bye, take care.